Another day, another leak about the Google Pixel 9. This time, it's about the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, Google's second foldable phone. A promotional video in German has surfaced, showing some exciting details. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold will feature a larger folding screen than the previous model, making multitasking easier. The video also showcases Google's Magic Editor, allowing users to change the background of their photos. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold is expected to be thinner and lighter than the original Pixel Fold, which is a major selling point since it can open completely flat at 180 degrees. According to Android headlines, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold will be 10.5 millimeters thick when folded and 5.1 millimeters when unfolded. For comparison, the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro, the world's thinnest foldable phone, is 5.2 millimeters thick. The original Google Pixel Fold was previously the thinnest foldable. However, there's a downside for US users. While the Pixel 9 Pro Fold may be slim, it could also be the heaviest, reportedly weighing 257 grams compared to the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro's 236 grams and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6's 239 grams. The hinge design of the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is new and looks similar to the OnePlus Open compared to the previous model. Finally, there's mention of Google's Gemini, and if you're curious about Google's Tensor G4 chipset, the device will come in two colors: obsidian black and porcelain white. The latest leaks about the upcoming Pixel 9 family may not be very thrilling. The G4 Tensor is expected to be the smallest upgrade in the lineup, focusing on better thermal efficiency and power consumption. The main power-draining part in the G3, the Exynos 5300 modem, will be replaced with the more efficient Exynos 5400, promising 50% better efficiency. Despite this, the G4 will be almost identical to the G3 in terms of features like AI capabilities, camera functions, and security features. This upgrade is a temporary solution as Google works on an entirely new chip for future devices. What do you think about the upcoming Pixel Fold 2? Share your thoughts in the comments below for more updates and check out our channel. See you next time and take care.